Hey everyone, in this video we have to simplify the third expression 3 root 2 divided by root 3 plus root 6 minus 4 root 3 divided by root 6 plus root 2 plus root 6 divided by root 3 plus root 2. Now there are three parts, so let's say this is 1, this is second, and this is third. Now we will solve them individually one by one, and at last we will do the mathematical operations of subtraction and addition. So let's first focus on the first one, 3 root 2 divided by root 3 plus root 6. Let us write this is the larger number first, so root 6 plus root 3. Now we have to rationalize this. So for rationalization, we multiply the conjugate of denominator, and conjugate is a expression which is the opposite sign of this one. So if we have plus, so I will multiply by negative sign. So root 6 minus root 3. So we will multiply both in numerator and denominator so that it balances out. Now we can solve them further. So 3 root 2 root 6 minus root 3 divided by. Now here we can use a formula a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b is nothing but a square minus b square. So root 6 square minus root 3 square. So from here we will get 3 root 2 into root 6 minus root 3 divided by 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3, and 6 minus 3 is nothing but 3, right? So can I cancel this 3 and this 3? So from here we got root 2 into root 6, that would be root 12. Root 2, root 3, root 6. So root 12 minus root 6 is the simplified version of this one. So root 12 minus root 6. Now let us focus on second part. So 4 root 3 divided by root 6 plus root 2. 4 root 3 divided by root 6 plus root 2. Now the same thing again, we will multiply by conjugate of this one. So root 6 minus root 2 divided by root 6 minus root 2. Now from here we will get 4 root 3 into root 6 minus root 2 divided by root 6 square minus root 2 square. So from here we will get 4 root 3 into root 6 minus root 2 divided by 6 minus 2. Now 6 minus 2 is nothing but 4. So 4 and 4 gone. So from here we got, I will multiply, so root 18, root 3 into root 2, root 6. So root 18 minus root 6. And this was root 12 minus root 6. So root 18 minus root 6. Now let's focus on the third part. So we have root 6 upon root 3 plus root 2. Now same thing, we will rationalize by conjugate. Now if we multiply this, so root 6 into root 3 minus root 2 divided by root 3 square minus root 2 square. Now from here we will get root 18 minus root 12. Now 3 minus 2, which is nothing but 1. So from here we got root 18 minus root 12. So this is the third one. So third one is root 18 minus root 12. Second one is root 18 minus root 6. And the first one is root 12 minus root 6. So let us do the mathematical operations now, subtraction and addition. So let's say here we have root 12 minus root 6. The second part was, okay, now here we have minus sign, root 18 minus root 6. And the third part was root 18 minus root 12. Root 18 minus root 12. Now are we cancelling out something? So now notice first thing, since this is a minus sign, so here we will have a change of sign, right? So if I take this bracket out, so our signs would be, this would be minus and this would be plus. Now let's see if we can cancel out. So root 12 plus root 12 and minus root 12 gone. root 18 minus root 18. Okay, root 6 and minus 6. So all are gone. So from here we got our answer as 0. So finally we got our answer as a big 0. So I hope this is clear to you. There were lots of calculations. There were 3 parts and we have to solve them individually at first, and then at last we will do the mathematical option. And please don't solve them at once, otherwise this will be a very hectic one. And there is a very high chance that we will do some calculation mistakes. So let's meet in some other videos. We will discuss more such questions. Thank you.